In this tutorial, we will take a look at creating the wheel in the wheel assembly. With a cylindrical object, by using revolve, we can create these cylindrical patterns pretty easily. By looking at this drawing for the wheel, we can see that this has a central axis. All the diameter dimensions are going to be cut in half. We are actually going to make a half section view of this product and revolve it around this central axis. The whole reason for doing this is because of this slope here. We can't cut in at an angle, so we're going to use revolve. So to start this off, we're going to pick a plane, draw a box to contain our dimensions, and we're going to start sketching this out. Again, we are only creating a half section view, and by using this line right here, this will be our axis of revolution later on. So here's that sloped area, straight down and across. We can even put the hole in the center to start this off. From this point, we're just going to start putting in some dimensions. We have an overall diameter of 100 millimeters. So by cutting this in half, we are actually putting in a radius dimension. So that's going to be 50. The overall width at that center hub is 50, 38 at the top, 10 across the middle, 14 in on the sides, 3 up at the bottom, 5 down, 22 diameter hole through the middle. So we'll start putting these dimensions in here. Smart dimension, we got 50 millimeter width across, 38 millimeters at the top. It is even on both sides, so this distance is going to be 6. That web in the middle is 10. Again, equal spacing. That is going to be 14. This vertical section is 3, 5, and we're going to duplicate that on the other side. Fourteen's in the wrong spot. From the 38. This center bore diameter is 36, so half of 36 is 18 on both sides. And we're even going to put the hole in when we revolve this. So a diameter of 22 and half of that is 11. So once we have this sketched out, we're ready to revolve. In your Features tab, we're going to select Revolve. One thing with Revolve is you want to make sure Thin Feature is turned off. It's not too often that we use Thin Feature. It will make a hollow on the inside. First thing to select is our axis of revolution. Select our contour, that is this section right here, and you'll see that it will revolve that entire body all the way around, 360 degrees all the way around. And we have created the body of the wheel. We do have a couple fillets here. We have casting fillets that are a radius of 2. And it is specified that the material is malleable iron with some machined surfaces. Holes, back of the hatch pattern, signify that these surfaces are machined. So, by using that central axis, we can revolve a pattern around it.